Hi, welcome to Telugu One Food. I'm your host Chef Savio, and today we are going to make Sharmula rubbed chicken with pearl couscous and tomato ginger broth. So Sharmula is a marination which is used to marinate chicken, fish, lamb or any other meat. So let's get started making the Sharmula chicken. We have here one chicken breast without skin but with bone over here. Then for the Sharmula marination, we have some roughly cut coriander leaves here. Then we have some roughly cut green chilies. We only need the green part of the spring onion here. Then we have some garlic. Then for the sauce, we have some ginger juice. We have used the blanched tomato and we have pureed it. Then we have some salt for seasoning. We have some cumin powder. We have some crushed pepper. We have lemon juice and some olive oil. And we also have pearl couscous with us here. So our water for the couscous is boiling now. We'll just add a pinch of salt to it, and we have around half cup of pearl couscous. Pearl couscous is little different than the regular couscous. The small grain couscous that we have, it hardly takes around 5 minutes to steam, but the pearl couscous will take around 15 minutes. So now we'll add the pearl couscous. Now we'll allow it to boil for 15 minutes, and once it is done, we'll just strain it out in a strainer. Till our couscous is getting ready, we'll make the Sharmula marination for the chicken. So we have around handful of coriander here and around 3 to 4 leaf of parsley. Then we have some green onion here. Then we have around 1 green chili roughly cut. We'll add around 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, some salt to taste, some crushed pepper, some lemon juice. We'll add just half teaspoon of cumin powder. Now we'll blend this in a fine paste. So our Sharmula marination is ready now. It has been coarsely grounded in a mixie. Now we'll use this marination to marinate our chicken. We'll add around 2 tablespoons of the marination to the chicken. Some crushed pepper. A little bit of salt. If you feel your marination has enough salt, then you can skip adding some more salt. Always taste your marination first. Now we'll add just a tablespoon of olive oil and we'll marinate the chicken. Allow the chicken to rest for around 15 to 20 minutes. Till then our couscous will also be ready. Then we'll start cooking the chicken. So our pearl couscous is ready. Now you can keep it aside. Till then we'll start grilling our chicken. So now our pan is nice and hot. So we'll just add around a tablespoon of oil. So our pan is already hot. Now we'll add the chicken to it. Whenever adding the chicken, make sure you add the chicken skin side down first. Now the leftover marination, you can just spread it on the chicken like this. Now we'll cook this for around 1 minute on one side and then we'll flip it over. So our chicken is nice and golden brown on one side. We have flipped it on the other side. We'll allow it to cook for 1 more minute on this side as well. So our chicken is almost cooked on the other side. It's nice and brown. Now we'll put the flame on simmer. So now it will take around 5 to 6 minutes for our chicken to cook. Till then we'll make our sauce ready. So for the sauce we have some tomato puree kept here. We'll add this to the hot pan. Now we'll add some salt to it and simmer it for around 1 minute. So it's been 1 minute. Our sauce is reduced a little bit. Now we'll just add a little bit of ginger juice to it. The flavor of the ginger is very strong, so just add little bit, and if you feel that you need some more, You can taste and add some more to it. Now our sauce is ready. We'll keep this aside for plating. So if you like, you can add some vegetables and herbs to your couscous. So since it is looking just plain, I will add some colored bell peppers. If you like, you can add any other vegetables also to it, and some fresh chopped parsley. Now we'll just mix this. So we'll start plating our chicken now. We have our warm couscous. We need to just place it in the mold and gently press it. So now we'll just slice our chicken. So with the help of tongs, just have a grip and then diagonally slice it. You can start from the small end of the chicken. Just place it on top of the couscous. Just slide it over. We'll just pour some tomato ginger broth on top of the chicken. If you want, you can just put some on the side. And some chopped parsley for garnish.